Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Crude oil flowed on Saturday through a pipeline from the semi-autonomous Kurdistan region in northern Iraq to Turkey for the first time in 2.5 years after an interim deal broke a deadlock, Iraq's oil ministry said. Gold gained on Friday after U.S. inflation data came in line with expectations, reinforcing bets that the Federal Reserve may continue with interest rate cuts later this year. U.S. gold futures for December delivery settled 1%. The dollar fell, but was still notched a second straight week of gains against major peers on Friday after data continued to show U.S. economic resilience, potentially complicating the Federal Reserve's efforts to cut interest rates.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.1% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.